Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to generate a genuine Windows ISO using Microsoft's Unified Update Platform. It's created with the most current update packages because they are pulled directly from Microsoft's own servers. Type in the URL uupdump.ml. Then we are gonna fetch the latest public release build. Click on Feature Update to Windows 10. We're just gonna go forward with that unless you want something other than English. Then, according to our needs, we're gonna select the versions for which we have licenses to or plan to buy licenses. We select these couple of options which are necessary for a complete and fully formed ISO with an optimized size. Then we are gonna create a download package and save it. After that, you're gonna open it up and extract it. Then we are gonna run uup download Windows CMD file with administrative permissions. We're gonna click on run anyway because obviously Windows finds every file malicious. Then we are just gonna let it run. At last, you can see that the ISO is built and saved right where you ran the command. So if you found this video useful, like, share, subscribe. This is a part of Set Up Your PC series, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.